I am Manglieva Juragul Khamrakulovna. Now I want to introduce you about my scientific works. I am a candidate of Physical and Mathematical Science, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering Technology in Navai State University of Mining and Technology. I have been working as a candidate of Physical and Mathematical Science since 2011. I am a member of the Academy of Science of Uzbekistan, and also I had worked on the dissertation about study on some issues of analytical dynamics of non-ideal connected systems in National University of Uzbekistan. Let me tell you about my scientific works. I am an owner of 5 patents, more than 50 scientific articles, 2 authorship certificates, and also 22 educational works. Now I'm in charge of working with talented students in the Faculty of Energy Mechanics and also working as a head of Women Committee. I have been teaching my students about practical mechanics and resistance of materials in order to meet the higher requirements of the higher education system. While you are watching my video presentation, you will be informed about my achievements and about my awards that I had won over the period of last 15 years. Now it's time to move on the main theme of my scientific research. In recent years, according to higher requirements of environmental safety, we have been facing up several problems in terms of usual transports, as well as increasing the economic efficiency of transportation. I have done some research about usual types of transports in the field of open mining technology, and we come up with that according to the angle of evaluations, the total cost of transports increases. It means that the total cost will be 60% higher than the total cost of minerals. Let me tell you about K&K 270 conveyor. It's steeply inclined conveyor and also called like vertical slope conveyor. When we install K&K 270, its structural elements are affected by such forces as the seismic vibrations of the quarry board, which may occur due to the change in the location of the ore mass on the conveyor. As a result, under the certain conditions, by its nature, some elements of the K&K 270 structure will experience a stress that leads to an increase in the backup fastening. In order to avoid this kind of situations, which can lead to accidents, the most urgent task is to develop a system for monitoring the level of vibration in some parts of K&K 270 conveyor. It requires the evaluation of the technical condition of the transportation and justification of parameters of vibrodiagnostic methods, their frequency analysis, mathematical modeling of degradation process in devices of electronic computing, and also grounding of vibrodiagnostic methods of monitoring the technical conditions of conveyor transport and development of a method for forecasting the residual resource and technical condition of conveyor transport based on vibration parameters are important. The research has been done by K&K 270 conveyor at Murantau mining site in Darafshan, which allows ores to be brought up to a height of 500 meters at an angle of 37. But sometimes it breaks off and causes a lot of problems. That's why we thought it was important to make an early diagnosis, and we got a patent through this program. Experiments are being carried out to increase the strength of tapes and prevent breakages. These conveyors are used for crushing stones in places where cement products are transported and packed, for transporting and packing stones, and even in farms. Research on this program are being carried out in the laboratory of Nawayi State University of Mining and Technology. This program is going to be used in the manufacturing factories, and also students are working on it to make it higher efficiency. Thanks for watching this video presentation, and thanks for your attention.